Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so that's here, Sumfest 2022, night one. And I've been hearing about this young DJ, a young selector by the name of MJ. So I forgot to hear more about this. MJ, how you doing?
I'm alright.
Wait, say you're alright?
Yeah.
Aren't you tired?
No, man.
You're not
just awake.
You're just awake. Are you ready for the road? Must you say you're well bash in your suit, your jacket and everything. You picked out the jacket for yourself or your family?
Me pick it out.
Oh, you pick it out because this is how you wanted to step out?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so what makes you love music so much?
You know, my daddy teach me, you know.
Your daddy teach you everything?
Yeah.
So, do you have a favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Bounty Killer.
Oh, Bounty Killer. Okay.
Flow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in.
Okay. You have a favorite song?
Not really.
That you love to play? Oh, you just love music all over?
Yeah.
How long have you been like DJing?
Since 1 year old, really.
1 year?
Yeah.
And you've
since
been
1 year old.
Since you've been 1 year old, and how old are you now?
8 years old.
So you have what, 7 years in the game? Wow. So what do you think is next for you when you grow up? This is exactly what you'd love to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Jesus, man, I never see somebody so confident. This is just you.
Yeah.
Do you think if you have your friends who like jealous or like want you to teach them how to DJ as well?
Yeah, not jealous. I would say they want me to teach them how to DJ.
Okay, and do you teach them sometimes?
Yeah.
But you think that you're more talented than some of the older DJs?
Sometimes.
What's so special about how you DJ? Do you dance while you're DJing? Like, what's so special about you?
You know, there's nothing really special, but
you just know how to do your thing.
Yeah.
All right, that is another DJ. So I just want you to look in at the camera and to just tell people who you are and why they should support you.
My name is DJ MJ, and you should support me because I'm a DJ.
Yeah.
And me are the future.
All right, cool, no man. Bless up yourself, you know. Nice chatting with you. All right.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.